Gondor chocolate melting machine can meet different production requirements. 304 stainless steel material. Low noise and save energy. High precision dual digital display. Mixing the chocolate to heat it evenly. Turn on the switch. Put the shredded material into the hopper. With the rotation of the steering wheel, chocolate melts and flows out. Multi-type adaptation. Use with coated conveyor belt. Fixed amount injection. Continuous automated production. Wide range of applications. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation precision.